Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what might just be the best Piccolo silver-plated with case on the market. The Piccolo Pro PAC case by Protec, model PB318 Black. If you're a serious Piccolo player looking for top-tier protection, thoughtful design, and rugged build quality, this case deserves your full attention. Let's begin with the story behind the product. Protec introduced the Pro PAC line in 1984 with one mission: to provide a lighter, smarter, and more durable alternative to traditional wood cases. Since then, Pro PAC has become a trusted name for professional musicians around the world, and the PB318 is a fantastic representation of that legacy. Right out of the box, the PB318 impresses with its clean, professional appearance. It features a rugged exterior made of 1680 ballistic nylon, a material known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear. The zigzag stitching isn't just a design choice, it's reinforcement. This stitching style, combined with a lightweight shock-absorbing frame, ensures that your Piccolo stays protected even in rough handling scenarios. But the strength doesn't stop on the outside. The interior is equally impressive. It's lined with breathable, non-abrasive padded velvet, which not only cradles your instrument gently but also helps protect the finish. And here's a smart touch: finger cutouts are included inside the case, making it much easier to lift your Piccolo out without any awkward fumbling. Whether you play on a wood, composite, or metal Piccolo, with either a straight or bubble head joint, this case is designed to fit securely and comfortably. Now let's talk about the small features that make a big difference. Protec includes a detachable wrist strap, so whether you're commuting to a lesson or heading backstage, carrying your case is always easy. There's also a large gusseted zippered pocket on the exterior, perfect for accessories like cleaning rods, swabs, cork grease, or even a small tuner. When you set this case down, you'll notice the sturdy metal feet on the bottom. These aren't just for looks, they protect the case from dirt and damage while adding stability. The hardware, too, is high quality. Protec uses custom-designed metal components, ensuring that zippers, hooks, and handles stand up to years of use. And the peace of mind continues with Protec's commitment to safety. All materials in the PB318 have been tested to be free of lead, DEHP, PAHS8, DBP, and BBP, meaning the case is responsibly made, and you're not exposing yourself or your instrument to harmful substances. From a size and weight perspective, it's also very manageable. Measuring approximately 11 inches long, 4.5 inches wide, and 3 inches high, and weighing just 7.2 ounces, it's extremely portable, a major plus for musicians who are always on the move. To wrap up, the Piccolo Pro PAC case by Protec, model PB318, isn't just another accessory. It's a serious upgrade for anyone who values their instrument. From the high-quality materials and construction to the smart ergonomic features, this case is a top-tier choice. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a music educator, this is an investment in long-term protection and performance. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another in-depth review. And if you have questions about this product or want us to review something next, drop it in the comments below. See you in the next one.